Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to create a QR code for your WhatsApp group. This is a super easy way to allow people to join your group quickly and effortlessly just by scanning a code. So, let's get started. Alright, open WhatsApp on your phone and go to the group you want to create a QR code for. Tap on the group name at the top of the chat screen to access the group info page. Look for the option called Invite to Group via Link, or something similar. Tap on it. Once you're on the Invite to Group via Link page, you should see an option to generate a QR code. Tap on it. WhatsApp will generate a QR code for your group. You can either save the QR code to your phone's gallery, share the QR code directly with others using WhatsApp or other sharing options. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your WhatsApp group. It's that simple. By sharing this QR code, you can easily add new members to your group. It's a great way to grow your community or share information quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.